Hey, this is Steve Overgard. I just wanted to share with you a job we're just now finishing up, and this is a log cabin. It is somewhere around 100 years old, perhaps. We don't really know. This one's not safe. There's still a lot of authenticity left in this structure. The exposed log walls, the structure is log. It's not a frame house with kind of a log facade. It's a real log cabin. One of the things that is not authentic with the house is these windows that we just replaced, and we went around and we did every single one. And as you probably already know, with the log cabin, there's nothing square or level or plumb or straight. The windows that come in are straight and plumb and level and square. So this really wasn't a production job. The big box stores would have had trouble with it. So first of all, the windows are non-standard sizes, so they all had to be ordered. And it took a couple months to get them in because the owner wanted the brown exterior. So on a typical installation, what you do is you take the old window out and you remove the stops. And then the new window kind of fits back into place, goes right back in the frame, the original frame. With this job, we took the old windows out and there were very few of the frames that were square. So that meant that each of the frames on the window had to be squared off, basically build a frame inside the frame. Sometimes removing the old frame to build a frame inside of where the old frame used to be to make it square and level. And then we put the new windows in. So it took a little time. And of course the metal work took a long, long time because all of the unique measurements, every single one of them was unique. Here's a sample of what the metal guy did. He took a little piece of metal for each window and he made all his calculations, his notes, his drawings, and that's what he used. He had one of these for every window that he did, and there's a bunch of them.